y'all, Ji'Hyah, and I am back with another video. I'm pretty sure y'all can tell what this video is gonna be just through my background. When y'all see that pink leopard background, y'all should already know where I'm at. Sasha J is doing my hair, aka Celebrity Style _ on Instagram. Y'all know I'm gonna link it at the bottom per usual. So today I'm just bringing y'all with me to get my hair done because I know I've been lacking on the content, and I'm gonna get back on it truthfully because I had to get myself together. Y'all seen that TikTok? I'm trying to get myself together. Basically is what I've been doing. Like today, y'all, I'm getting a curly wig installed. Y'all might have seen it, but I don't think I edited and uploaded the PR's the Puerto Rico vlog from when we went on vacation because I had this wig installed before. But this time I got some honey blonde highlights in there, and we're gonna do a fire style. So I'm gonna just let y'all, bring y'all with me to watch. I actually got this style from Mikaria Janae on YouTube. Love her channel. But yeah, I'm gonna just bring y'all with me, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, this is the wig that I was telling y'all about. Y'all didn't see it the first time because I didn't upload it when she did it for the PR vlog. But y'all see, I just got a little bit of honey blonde highlights in there, whatever. But same wig, a million. This the millionth install. Huh, queen?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile.